In 5 minutes, I'll show you I can create a coloring ebook. Stay to the end of the video so that I can give you the link to sign up now. Start by signing up, start for free. And then you can create this ebook for your loved ones, for your child, or whosoever you want to, or maybe you want to use it to make money. All right. You have for kids, you have for pets, you have for families, and so on and so forth. So for the AI tool here, you have places where you can generate your coloring pages, right? For free. You can turn your pictures into a coloring ebook, right? You can also convert your text into a coloring pages, right? You input your text and then it gives you a coloring page which you need to just paint, and then you can download the format in PDF. As you can see, you can browse all over 5,000 plus templates that you can use. These are examples of the templates where you have Happy Valentine and the rest. Now you can browse over 5,633 printable pages, right? It's so awesome. Now, as you can see, I'm just going through the pages. These are pages that you can just download and then automatically print and give it to maybe your child or maybe your loved one, right? So if you click on view, you can see you have more pages added to it. So if you click on this view more pages, you see that you have so many more pages. All right, guys, I just clicked on it and see it's taking me there where we can see more pages. You can see Spider-Man, you can see Batman, sorry, and you can see so many of these avatars. Now, mostly for kids, they might love this. I believe when you give something like this to them, they will definitely love it. All right, it's just simple. All you need to do is just click on maybe download. Then when you click on download, it comes out like a coloring ebook. They will want to something like this. Children will want something like this. Kids will want something like this, most especially when it has to do with painting their favorite, right? So let's start with the first one, use of where you can convert your photo into a coloring template or a coloring book. So let's start. So you need to upload your image here. Click on this. All right, I just uploaded my image, and then after you upload your image, all you need to do is just to click on that generate. And then, yes, you can see by your right here, this is the ones I have generated before using my image, and look at how it came out. So it's just for maybe a child or me, I want to paint, I can just apply it. So when you click on this generate, it's definitely going to take like 2 credits for it to generate. And so it depends on the speed of your internet. Boom, mine is out. You can see there's the image, and then this is what I have to paint, what I have to color, right? It's awesome. All I have to just click download, whether in image format or PDF, and that's all. And I have my coloring ebook, and I can decide to start painting right away, right? That's awesome. Now let's go for text to coloring pages, right? So I'm just going to enter a text, say create a photo of a lion, right? Of a lion in the jungle. Let's go like that. Create a photo of a lion in the jungle. All right, so you can choose your aspect ratio, 2:3, 1:1, or 3:2, and then the next thing you need to do is just to click on generate, right? Generate. So you really have to use your time and go through this. There's a lot you need to, really expand on this. It's an awesome AI tool. You can see, boom, my image is here and I love it, right? My kid will love to paint this. My child will love to paint this, right? So all I need to do is just to click on download, and straight up away, I have it as a PDF, and then I can print out, and then for my child to do what? Paint at home, right? It's as simple as that, and I love this. So this is a nice one. Trust me, you have credits that it's going down as you're using it. So maybe you use it for a very long time, you can definitely do what? Upgrade and use the Pro version. I'm taking you guys to the homepage again because I want us to explore other tools there that this AI website has. Now we just went to this online coloring, right? This is it. So these are templates that you have there for the online coloring, right? And it's very, very, very beautiful. See, children will love to put their markers on things like this. They will love to paint, all right? So even when you click on browse more, you can see more printable pages, right? They have a lot. You can search based on what you want, and then it's going to give it to you right away. You can see Batman there 2025. You can see Mickey Mouse, right? You can see Happy Valentine's Day, and then see the avatar, the airbender, and then a lot of templates are here for kids to paint, right? Now let's go to the gallery section. When you click on this gallery section, you're going to see more templates also, more galleries that they have. They have a lot. All right, it's just for you to decide what you want, and then you can decide to say, okay, you want to use it for your loved one, prepare something for them to paint, for adults also. So instead of going through this template, you can use your text to image, right? Just input your text and then it will give you exactly what you want. The tool is so awesome. So let me take you back to one of the templates, which is the Spider-Man, right? To take, for example, I want to download this. So I would love to download this in PDF. All right, I'll just click on download in PDF, and then all of a sudden, depending on the speed of your internet, boom, the next thing you see, it's downloaded. Yeah, it's downloaded for me and it's loading now. All right, it's loading. As you can see, I have my own Spider-Man with me, so I can decide to print this. I can decide to have more pages and give it to my son, my daughter, my children, and then they can paint. I can decide to make money with this. After this, I can sell it for them to buy. All right, this is a nice tool. I believe you know that. The link to this AI website is in the description of this video. Click and start up now. And then if you want more pro section, you can just upgrade to pro and enjoy it. All right, bye-bye.